Determine whether you need whole life insurance. Indeed, purchasing a life insurance is a major choice that you have to decide on, especially if you want an insurance policy that will suit the needs of your family. In a quick glance, you may decide not to buy a whole life insurance, and most of the time you need to think twice because you have two choices: the term life and a whole life insurance. In case you are faced with the same dilemma, remember that there are more benefits offered by a whole life insurance than term life insurance. There may be numerous gains from a whole life insurance. On the other hand, you have to make sure if whole life is really for you and your family's needs and preferences. Here are some things to consider when purchasing a whole life insurance. Value. The first thing to keep in mind when choosing a whole life insurance plan is the value that it serves for you and for the family. You have to decide if the insurance policy you are pursuing serves as insurance for its sake, or if the insurance policy you are into gains monetary value as time passes. Aside from giving life insurance to its clients, you have to remember that whole life policies also gain values because of the investments. In addition, these values could be used for securing loans. If you want to enjoy this feature of a whole life insurance policy, then choose it and work for it. Time limit. The next thing to consider in deciding if a whole life insurance is for you is the time limit it offers to its clients. Unlike the offer of the term life insurance, whole life insurance does not extend to a certain period of time. In fact, it covers the time until and beyond you go to meet your Creator. Whole life insurance covers that time, not considering how long it is. This feature of the whole life insurance policy gives you the assurance that your loved ones as well as your family will be well taken care of. This will wipe away your predicament about the expiration date of your life insurance contract. On the other hand, if you only prefer an insurance that will cover the time of your retirement, you better go and pursue a term life insurance. Guaranteed cash. Another thing to consider is the cash value that a whole life insurance offers. Whole life insurance, unlike a term life insurance, guarantees cold cash. Whole life also features a loan policy for its clients. After the elaboration of these key considerations, it is recommended that you consult insurance agents for advice. You may also seek help from your family members or friends who are enjoying the gains of whole life insurance. With their advice and the key considerations, you now know how to decide whether you need a whole life insurance or not.